We need more awareness, not only for our designers, but also for our students to understand that they can be leaders in society. We have a responsibility as educators and researchers about let them understand the impact of their work into society. Cumulus at the moment is a very, very large association. We're getting close to 400 members, starting to be a real space for sharing knowledge worldwide. And people are coming for the conferences, but also for meeting other people and to start new projects.
It's a very impressive peer learning platform that is based on discussion, collaboration, and the idea that design education should be open and should be based on collaboration. We had a lot of contributions, 600 abstracts submitted. We selected about 200 full contributions, more than 20 working groups meeting, 250 sessions happening during those 3 days of conference. We have the signing of the Cumulus Design Declaration, which is a very strong manifesto for the values that are embodied in the design institutions and carried by the Cumulus network. Celebration of the 35th anniversary of Cumulus, we had a beautiful concert and it was a very moving moment also.
It was the occasion to gather 500 keynote speakers, designers, rectors, directors, international advisors coming from all over the world to discuss about ethical leadership. The problematic that is given to designers is to represent the world, to draw the world of tomorrow. But in fact, we have to build it. Design has become a discipline of management. It's the capacity to act on the future, to occupy tomorrow the top strategic position in companies.
It is a very important moment for design right now. Design has been instrumentalized to play with this regime of gaining new things with just this seduction moment of creating the desire to consumption. So it's time for designers to take their independence for designing a better world. We are not seeing design as a result, but much more as the capacity to put an attitude facing all of the challenges we are encountering.
The designer will ask questions that will bring different perspective, and I think that is a very important part of a designer's work, is to ask the right questions and to provoke the person who's briefing him to think differently.
So problems can be as well opportunities for designers to address the right question, to explore, to envision the future, and designers can help in that in order to design a better world.
It's really easy to find solutions very interesting for the year to come. But in fact, all the outcomes of your designs will last probably for years. So it's really important to try to have this long-term view, life cycle of your designs, in order to help all the stakeholders of your projects being able to decide not only for the next months to come, but also for the years of your projects to be available for the clients and the people.
We really need to think how designer can take leadership. I think schools can also help designer to see the role that they have in this society, which is not simply to design mere products, but is really how we can bend technological development towards what technology should do, rather than what technology can do. And in this nuance, it's very important to really infuse this ethical compass in the way designers think about all the experiences. How we as designers can bring purpose in the product and technologies that we develop. Technology without humanity is perfection without purpose.